Hello, welcome to another episode of Commercial Property Club podcast, the show where we dive into the ins and outs of the real estate investments. I'm your go-to guy today for actionable insight and trends in the real estate world. I'm your host, Ola Ibiwoye, and today we are diving into a game-changing topic. I call it a game-changing topic because it's just such an unprecedented times when you talk about artificial intelligence, AI. What about AI in real estate? Wouldn't it be an exciting thing if we know what it is all about, the tools that would actually help your real estate investment pick up? So let's dive into it. What's the topic for today? The part chapter we're talking about today is AI in apartment investments. The tools for predictive analytics that are transforming the real estate landscaping. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this episode is packed with valuable information. You can't afford to miss it. So grab your coffee, get a comfortable seat, and let's explore how AI will supercharge your investment strategies. Now, the role of an AI in apartment investments, let's look at that first of all. To set the stage, let's talk about the role of AI in apartment investments. At school, artificial intelligence is always what we would say has a bit of leverage of system to itself. What am I talking about? I'm talking about leveraging data to make smart decisions, smart, fast decisions. So when we incorporate AI into real estate, we're talking about smart, fast decisions for real estate investors. This means reducing risk, identifying opportunities, and optimizing strategies. From property analysis to tenant management, AI could help you. I guarantee you, AI has potential to revolutionize your steps when it comes to investing, which makes your journey faster. In fact, the speed right now is so fast that yesteryears are like stone age compared to what we have right now. But what makes AI so effective? That's the question. The answer lies in its ability to process vast amount of data. We're talking about data in terms of demographics, property values, market trends, and rental income histories. You can't beat that. Even when you talk about the weather patterns when it comes to apartment location, AI can give you data on that, all in real time. Now, the traditional methods of evaluating investment just can't compete with the speed and the accuracy of AI-driven insights. When I say insight, in terms of the data that it's able to amass in real time and be able to forecast and postulate results and give directions into investment. Let's talk about a few things that we might look at when it comes to analytics in terms of AI. Tools for predictive analytics. What are tools for predictive analytics? Now, let's zero in on predictive analytics. This is where AI really shines for real estate investors, actually. This is where AI really carries the order of the day for investors like us, like you out there. Predictive analytics using historical and current data to forecast future outcomes. Can you beat future outcomes? What if you were supposed to know what would happen to a deal before you even enter that deal? what would happen with a particular property that you're considering in buying, and when you know what's going to happen in the speed of real time. I'm talking about real time. For example, it can help you identify which neighborhoods are on the rise, or which property have the potential to deliver the highest returns that you're looking for, or within the parameters of your investment goals. So let's see, what are the tools that are available for real estate investors out there in the market? Let's break down a few leading options that we have. I remember several years back, I was using this particular tool called Reonomy. This tool aggregates property data from across the US, offering insight into ownership, transaction history, and market trends. Its AI capabilities will help you even identify market opportunities and predict market shifts over a period of time. That was the benefits that it offered, even up till now. Another tool you want to also consider is Zillow's AI powered tools. While mostly consumer facing, Zillow offers valuable data that can inform investment decision with their AI driven tool in Zestimate. You get fairly accurate property evaluation when you go through the tool called Zestimate. Another great tool out there that you might consider looking into is CoStar Analytics. CoStar Analytics are designed for commercial real estate analysis. CoStar will provide details of analytics on property performance, rental trends, and investment forecast also too. It's you gotta have it. It's a must-have tool for serious investors actually. Mashvesto, if you're evaluating short-term rental property, Mashvesto's AI tool is capable of providing data on the performance of the likes of your Airbnb, occupancy rates, and even also revenue. Now, another tool that we can talk about here today is the Deal Check, a tool for running the numbers on potential deals. Deal Check uses AI to streamline property analysis from your cash flow projections to return on investment. That's your ROI calculations. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg, I must tell you, with new platforms and return being introduced constantly on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. The possibilities for leveraging AI in real estate is just endless. I guarantee you it's just endless. You wake up tomorrow and there's a new tool that you have out there for you to use. So how are investors using these tools in the real world? Let's see what it looks like. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're considering buying or purchasing a multi-family apartment complex in an up-and-coming neighborhood. Using AI can actually analyze rental demands, predict occupancy rates, even forecast appreciation in property value over the next 5 to 10 years, or even beyond. All of this before you even step your foot on the property. Isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness. Or take tenant screening, for example. AI can automate the process for you, shifting through applications, using predictive algorithms to identify tenants who are most likely to pay your rent on time and stay long time versus the ones that would not and typically incur you economic vacancy. This not only saves you time, but it does ensure a high quality tenancy with your property. So you see, some of this aspect of AI are quite beneficial, immensely, I would say that. Let's talk about some challenges actually and ethical consideration when it comes to AI, because as good as AI is, has its own challenges and ethical consideration that we must also take into consideration. Okay, it's not all smooth sail with AI. Like every technology out there, AI comes with its challenges. Data accuracy is paramount, and bad data can lead to flawed predictions also too, because garbage in, garbage out, that's what it is actually at the end of the day. There's also the issue of acceptability. Not all investors have the budget for acceptability. In terms of, I'm talking about acceptability, which you could also term as accessibility. Not all investors have the budget for some high-end tools. Like the Reonomy I talked about is a little bit expensive out there. So, and then there's the ethical side of things. AI systems can unintentionally perpetuate biasness in data, which can impact housing affordabilities and in terms of fairness. It's crucial for investors to use these tools actually responsibly. So use it responsibly and stay informed about the regulatory changes that might occur within the confines of the policies of regulatory measures out there. Now, what's my final thought when it comes to AI in real estate? To wrap it up, AI is no longer just a buzzword. I must say that it's a powerful ally for real estate investors. By leveraging predictive analytics and the right tools, I bet you can make data-driven decisions that maximizes your returns and minimizes your risk. However, it's equally important to stay mindful to the challenges and ensure your strategies are both effective and ethical. So, today we have come to the end of our episode. So, thank you for tuning in to Commercial Property Club podcast today. I'm your host, Ola Ibiwoye. If you find today's episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, share it with your fellow investors or even newbies out there. I'd love to hear from you, your thoughts, your questions about AI in real estate. Feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn, on Facebook, Instagram, also the YouTube channel for Commercial Property Club podcast rather. And you can also email me at commercialpropertyclub@gmail.com. Until next time, invest and invest well and keep on innovating, okay? All right. This is Ola Ibiwoye of Commercial Property Club podcast, a subsidiary of Estateserve Investment. I will see you in another episode. Thank you.